Huh. Where is... There it is. Shindo, start up. Let's go. America. Beautiful. 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 Put that right down. First gear. Windows down. Good morning, guys. We are in the Shindo as well. We fixed it. When I mean we fixed it, I mean my friend Eric fixed it. So what ended up being the problem is that the terminals were so corroded that even though, well, let me replace that. Sorry. The wire to the terminal was so bad that we had to cut back some of the wire to get, you know, uncorroded wire, hook it back up to the terminal, and then hook it up to the battery, and then everything was fine. So that could have been something that could have been fixed probably a heck of a lot sooner. But, you know, what are you gonna do? I'm just happy to be back in the car. So we are on our way, I guess you could say, to work. We're gonna get some gas and then head up north. Head up north? Yeah, we're gonna head up north. And then, I don't know, we may do some things on the Shindo, I'm not 100% sure. I'm still waiting to hear back from Rob so I can pick up Marceline. So that'll hopefully be before Wednesday. Today's Monday, so hopefully it'll be before Valentine's Day. Like I said, I've been looking forward to having the Ecoboost back, which I'm happy to be in this, but I'd much rather have the Ecoboost back. So that's another thing. This is more, at this point, if I don't fix it a little more and sell it, more of a daily, whereas the Ecoboost is going to be more of a dedicated race car. So we shall see. But onward to the place of work. They're gonna fire Marceline and drive her under her own power right here. They did some research, and there's like a check engine light for, it's a rear O2 sensor. Then we have the intake sensor 1, and I think that was it. But anyway, Rob's going to clean the car, and then you're gonna see it. Well, you're gonna see it drive up here, and then he's gonna clean it. But it's back, 99% done. Gotta work out a couple of little kinks, and braking process will start. You'll be with me the entire way for the braking process. Cody will be there. Rob will be there. Yeah, you will.
Taking off that day.
Oh, he's gonna take off that day. But actually, is he gonna... Did he change shoes? Is he gonna do it right now? Did you change shoes? So what we should now see or hear is the car fire up without any issues. We'll see. Obviously, the exhaust is here, so it'll be a little loud. Or not. The dogs are a little frightened because the car has moved in so long. it's really different. Obviously you can see her, which is still, it's a shock to see the car back finally. Oh, this is so awesome. It is different seeing it move than just knowing that the engine turns over. Like, I'm happy now.
I've already driven it 10 miles, two laps.
So what happens here at English Touch Performance, when you modify your engine or they rebuild your engine, build your engine, whichever, they have their own little like test track that they drive the car around. So that way they can make sure that there's no issues that need to be addressed before the customer comes by and actually picks up their car. She's driving under her own power, ladies and gentlemen. It has a stock exhaust on it. Well, a stock downpipe on it right now because it's in the break-in period, which means there's no tune on the car. It just has the intercooler on it and the blow-off valve. Those wheels may be the track wheels. I'm not 100% sure.
Hey, but one of the things you need to work on,
yeah,
is a hell of a workout to drive this thing. Need power steering.
Oh yeah. So power steering's out, which you guys are aware of if you remember. But I may just keep the power steering out or go to manual steering. I finally make a manual steering rack for the car, so that'll be interesting.
Oh, they do?
What?
Pop the hood.
Oh yeah, we can pop the hood. Oh snap. It's okay, edit out. Okay.
I was on the wrong side.
So, do you want to go over this or?
It's a stock Ecoboost engine with pistons and rods.
There you go.
I don't know what else to.
The head was at the machine shop. They cleaned everything off. They cleaned the valves and everything. So the whole thing about the direct injection system is that the valves cake up with oil. Since the valves are cleaned and refreshed, that's no longer an issue. That's all been cleaned up. So pretty much brand new head, pistons, rods. Purple blow-off valve is still. Oh no.
And NASA sent over.
NASA, what?
If you're gonna do the hand gestures, at least let me hold the camera so I can film you with your car.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we have golden tape, purple blow-off valve, and like I said, pretty much a totally cleaned up head, pistons, rods, new bearings, all new gaskets. You replaced the water pump? No. Water pump only had like 3,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
So this is as stock as she's going to be for right now, and once we're done with the break-in, we'll start putting the downpipe back on. We're going to put the meth kit on it, which we'll do NASA here. And so I'm just really, really satisfied and happy to see it. Like I said, there's like one or two kinks that need to be worked out, but they're going to take care of it today, if not tomorrow. And look forward to the first drive with my babe.
Well, your first drive.
My first drive. You've already driven it, yeah. So, I'm happy. I'm excited. I wasn't this excited the first time because it's been driving for like a day, but it's different seeing it drive in person, knowing that I can actually do it. So, and just like that, we are here. I have the camera in a new case, so hopefully those loud rattles will stop with this. But we are here. We're going to start today. I believe we have a car coming through for an exhaust first, and then I'm not sure. But there's the Shindo. Glorious, as always. Drove over from New Tampa to Spring Hill, no issues. Corbo seat, making it look real race car. 5-speed, because it's a man's car. I like it. Anyway, let's get started. I can hear Zach coming. Good morning, sunshine.
Morning.
I heard. I was like, "Is that Zach?"
Yep.
How was your trip?
Far drive. Traffic was alright.
Oh wait, I forgot I saw you last night.
You did? Oh, you meant that trip. I thought you meant the trip here. It's like, far drive. All 3 minutes.
Why are we parked sideways?
We're putting my BMR springs on the car.
Oh.
And then I'm putting the sport lines on here.
This is currently to date
Oh, you can't see this.
the fastest Ecoboost in Florida, since somebody may have joined the bomb squad. Did it come loose? Oh, you lost a bolt.
Yeah. It's a different one.
Downpipe looks so shit. Wait. Really dumb question. Do you have a check engine light?
I have like 12.
Has your car been acting weird? Like,
Really that weird.
well, because your primary O2 sensor's unplugged.
There is a sensor for that one. Yes. Probably should plug that one back in.
Oh.
I never plugged it in probably when I put
Yeah.
I never did. Yeah, but there was one. Here at Team Send It.
I was like, something doesn't look right.
There we go.
Check engine light gone.
Well, one of them. I literally have 6 check engine lights.
Really? What for? Well, you have the airbag, I'm sure. But that's an airbag light.
That's not a check engine light, yeah.
What do you have check engine lights for? Oh, that's multiple knock misfire.
No? This is probably why it hasn't blown up, because of all the check engine lights. It's so nannied, they're like, no, don't do that, don't do that. But yeah, I literally have like 6 check engine lights.
That's a nice cover photo.
Thank you.
Bank 1, okay, you did that. No, sensor 2. Bank 1, sensor 2. Okay. Bank 1, sensor 2. Fuel delivery door, okay.
That's fuel delivery error.
Internal control module. What? Unable to bleed fuel tank vacuum. O2 sensor signal. Bank 1, okay, we just fixed that. And then the next one. Lost communication.
What girl shudder? So that one's the only normal one.
So, wait a second.
All the other ones, you know,
That's really dumb, though.
probably.
Because Ryan disabled the grill shutters and the rear O2.
It doesn't show up on like the check engine.
It doesn't show up there either.
Really? Well, mine does obviously, but well, like the check engine light won't come on just for that one.
Oh, okay.
It's all these other ones that I have.
Send it.
Still runs fine.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Oh, see, I got this new case. So remember how it used to like go like, so I'm gonna do that anymore.
Solid. Wow. Dirty now.
Have you probably want to change that, huh?
I changed it when I changed my oil. But yeah, might as well since
Yeah, since it's been on a long trip.
I'm already fucked up. I mean, that don't really matter.
Oh, was it the same weather up there?
Yeah, it just rains. It literally rains for 2 days.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to see how much oil comes out of your catch. Ding. Wait, how do you open yours?
I hate taking this off though. Fast.
It's not that bad. It's like nothing. Yay.
I mean, granted, that's only
One side.
no.
It's both sides? Really?
No, I don't have the dual battery.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have one of those. But that's only like 2,000 miles.
Oh, okay. The fastest, plainest looking Ecoboost.
Can't wait to kind of big radio station.
Just a big old, just not even there, just like right here, just the compressor, just then a giant hole.
In the hood.
Yeah, just boost. Or do a slim radiator, just have it sitting like right here.
Straight reach car.
Yeah, like the LS guys do, you know.
Yeah.
Well, something happened here. There's a lot of dirt right there on the hood.
Yeah, that's all. Oh, like this fucking line. You know, whatever.
Exactly. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I like these so much. Are you still set on that one color?
The mid?
Yeah. I'm wondering how the seats would look with that. Oh, Brandon can wrap your car. You know that, right?
Who?
Brandon, the guy that was here.
Yeah. Wait, the guy that was here.
Yeah, with the Fiesta.
Brandon? When was
Were you there for that?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but. Hey guys, guess what Alex decided to do, you know? He was just sitting on my rim, and he decided to add like 10 more scratches to it.
Bruh.
Yeah, look at that. That's real nice, Sanders. Thanks, buddy.
That was there.
That was not there.
I have pictures.
Yeah, and that's not on there. How you feel?
Accidents
You
happen.
got anything to say for yourself?
I'll give you $20 off the Shindo.